The King and Golden Bird Story. A king saw a golden bird and asked, "Please stay in the garden forever. I will name you as the Golden Bird." Every morning, the king fed grains to the golden bird with his hands. The other swans became jealous of the golden bird, so they attacked the golden bird. It made the king unhappy, and he ordered his soldiers to kill all the swans. They all flew away and lost their royal home because of their jealousy. Moral: never be jealous of anyone. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe.